Hi everyone, it's Miss Hallett again. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can access our ebooks. Now, ebook stands for electronic books, which means that you need a computer or a phone or a tablet to read them, but you can read them immediately instead of waiting for a pickup. So, just like before, the first thing you're going to have to do is log in. So the login button is at the top right. Put in your child's lunch number for the username, same number for the password, and click the blue button to log in. Now, in the last video, I showed you different ways to search for the physical books that we have in our library, but if you scroll down to the bottom, there's another section called eBooks. So you can either click on the arrow to see different ebooks that we have. If you want to see all of them, you can click See All right here, and it will show you all of the ebooks that we have. So some of the things are the same as they are for the physical books. The books that are available have a little green flag at the top. They say in. Books that are not available have a red flag at the top that says out. So let's say that I would like to read Fox and Socks. Now I have a few choices. I can either open it and read it right now, or I can check it out for 5 days so that I can read it multiple times. If I just want to open it and read it right now, I can click open. I told the kids it's sort of like taking the book off the shelf, opening a few pages, looking at the pictures. So it'll bring you right to the cover. And when you move your cursor or your pointer to the right side, it'll give you an arrow that you can click on to turn the page. If you need to go back for some reason, an arrow will appear when you move to the left side and you can go back. Now there's a few features that I didn't tell the kids about, but you might be interested in. If you move your cursor up to the top, there's some buttons that you can use to have the book read aloud. I will warn you, it sounds a little bit like a robot reading it, but if your child doesn't mind that, they might like it. That's that button right here. There is a bookmark that you can use. You can search for specific words by clicking the magnifying glass. There's all kinds of different features that you can use. Now, on the left side, you can click the menu, and you can go right back to the cover, or you can start reading. This is the table of contents. So once you read a few pages in the book, if you're finished with it, you can click Close Book, and then it's like you never took it out. You're done reading it. But, for example, if there's a book that you or your child really enjoy and you'd like to read it a couple of times, there's a way that you can do that. You can go to Check Out. So let's say that the book you want to check out is Hop on Hop. Instead of clicking Open, you would click Check Out, which means the book is yours for 5 days. Nobody else can read it because only one person is permitted to check out our ebooks at a time. So once you click Check Out, you see that there's a little button that says Return. You can still open it here, and you'll still be able to read it with the same features I showed before. It just means that nobody else will be able to access the book until you're done with it. So go ahead and click Close Book. If you're finished with it, go ahead and click Return. If you don't click Return, the book will automatically be returned in 5 days, and then you'll be able to read another ebook. We are going to keep it to only one ebook per person at a time, since we don't have enough for everyone. One other feature I want to make you aware of, you'll notice that some of the books have the red flag that says out, but there's no space at the bottom to hold it. So there are no holds on ebooks. You'll just have to wait and see when the book is back. You'll be able to check it out yourself. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on our ebooks. I think it'll be a really great way for your kids to get books immediately like they're used to in the library. If you have any questions, please go to my website, email me, mhalat, as in Tom, at ewrsd.k12.nj.us.